Hello, it's grade 12 finally, and it is chapter 1. I'm very excited to start this year. I'm very excited to show you my new website, k-chemistry.com, where you can study, practice, and answer and get your correct answer on the spot. There is no need to wait for anybody to tell you if this is correct or no. Let's start with the significant figures. These are telling you how precise your measurement is. Is it 2 only or 2.0? If you say 2.0, you are more careful with your measurement. So let's start with rule number 1, the zeros, which are the non-zero digits, the numbers which are not zero. Are they significant or not? Let's see our nice website. So let's see rule 1. Digits which are non-zero are always significant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is always significant. 88. How many digits? 2. Yes. One more question. What about if I want to refresh the question and get a new question here? So let's find. So 3 digits. New question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits, and so on. Rule number 2, the leading zeros are never significant. What are leading zeros? Zeros on the left. Zeros before the non-zero items. These are leading zeros. They are never significant. Don't ever count them as significant. So I have here 6, 6, 5, and 2 zeros. Don't count this. Only count the 6 and the 6 and 5. So this means that you have 3 digits. Check. Yes, correct. One new question. Here, how many zeros? All these zeros are leading. They are on the left. Don't ever count them. You have only the 4. So we have only one significant figure. One more question is there. Try again. This is 388. So 3 significant figures only. And don't count these leading zeros on the left. They are never significant. Don't say that these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't say anything. If you say anything other than 3, it will be a wrong answer. It has to be only these non-zeros, because these zeros on the left are non-significant. Captive zeros in between non-zero. So this is a 0 between 1 and 5. This is significant. It's okay. So I will count the 1 and the 5. So now I have two types of zeros. The zeros on the left, the leading, I don't count them. But here there are 2 zeros. So here there is 1 0 in the middle. So I'll put 3 significant figures. This is counted. And one more. This is 2 zeros. So I will count them as significant. Correct. Okay, so I spoke about the zeros on the left, the leading, the zeros in the middle between non-zeros, the captive, and the trailing zeros, or the zeros on the right. What if I have a zero on the right side? There are two cases. The first case, if there is a decimal place. So if there is a decimal place like here, this will be counted as zeros as significant figures. So these two are counted. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have 4 significant figures also, because the 3 zeros are counted. Remember, this is a leading, so it's never counted. Here there are 2 zeros, so they are counted plus the 1, so 3 significant as long as there is a decimal point. So here, let's try. These 2 zeros are counted as long as there is a decimal point. So this will be 3, 4, 0, 0. So 4 digits. I will say 4 digits. This is correct. One more. If I have here 2 zeros on the right side, they are trailing zeros with a decimal, so they are counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. And one more. Here also again 4, and therefore, and then let's count. These 3 are counted and these 2 are counted. So total are 5. If you said 4, it's wrong. It is 5 trailing zeros. What if the zeros are there on the right? They are trailing, but there is no decimal. This is case B. So the now is the significant figures if there are trailing zeros without a decimal. You see there are zeros here, there is no decimal point. What I'm gonna do? It's gonna be different this time. Take care. Because if there is no decimal point, these zeros are non-significant. Non-significant means they will not be counted. Non-significant means they will not be counted. So you can log into our site, so you can save your files and pages and see a lot of things that you can do later. Meanwhile, let's try one more question. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 2 zeros on the right are significant. We need for the 4 p. And here all these zeros on the right, 8 and is non-significant. Don't count them. You have 8 and 9 only. So 8 and 9 only, you have just 2 significant figures. One more. These all are not important, non-significant. These all are not important. Only the 3 and 4 are significant ones. What if I have mixed zeros types? Let's remember the leading on the left never counted. This one in the right is counted because it is after a decimal place. So I have three significants now, 1, 2, 3. This one is only counted, the other two zeros are not counted. Why? Because they are trailing zeros without a decimal. So only this one. So one significant figures. This one significant figure. This one is a captive. It's counted. These two are counted. So all of them are counted. There is a decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's test ourselves in the mix. Try to do them all. A notable one is this one. There is a decimal here, so these two are counted. Take care, even if they are before the decimal or after the decimal, as long as there is a decimal point, so they are counted. So these are all counted as significant figures. Let's start practicing here. I have 4 digits because this decimal place makes these two zeros countable. So I have 4 significant figures. And this one, these 3 on the left are never counted. This 0 on the right is counted because there is a decimal. So I have 3 significant figures. And these 4 are counted. This is okay. So these 2 zeros in the middle, so they will be counted. I have 4 significant figures here. These 2 zeros on the right are not counted because there is no decimal place on the right. The zeros on the right are only counted if there is a decimal place. So only 2 is considered as a significant figure. These 2 zeros are not significant. They don't tell me that the measurement is significant. It can be 200, 201, 202. It's not a precise enough measurement. So I have only one significant figure, that's the 2. One significant figure, that's only the 2. Here I have 4 significant figures. All these zeros are counted. Let me know in the comments if you have any problems with that. Let's see you in the next video because I have more to tell you. But before doing that, there are 2 types of significant figures that are very important, usually missed. That's significant figures with the scientific notation. In scientific notation, the base number, the number before 10 to the power of so and so, determines the significant figures. Count all digits in the base, excluding the 10 to the power. So if I have 9.5, multiply 10 to the power of 2. Don't look at 10 to the power of 2, just count 9 and 0.5. So this is 2 significant figures only. If here I have 1, 2, 3, this 0 is on the left, not countable. So I have 3 significant figures. One more is there, 6.31. So there are 3 significant figures. The last thing is the exact numbers for how can I find the significant figures for the exact number? It's infinite number.